Hello guys, welcome to this video. This video is made for the ITI students who are all going to attend the All India Trade Test for this academic year. This time the NCVT, National Council of Vocational Training, is conducting CBT. That means computer based test for trade theory and workshop calculation. That means the exam will be completely online. This video is the demo video of which exams will be carried on. Firstly, the safe browser will be kept open on the system on which you will be attending the test. Once the safe browser is opened, you will not be able to open any other application. It will be locked automatically, so the candidates cannot Google for answers or any other medias cannot be opened once the safe browser is opened. Initially, you need to enter your email IDs and the password will be provided by the examiners to log in. You can see I have entered the email ID. Now I am going to enter the password and then log in. Once you log in, you can see on the left side your photo will be displayed. After opening this page, on the left side you will see your photo. Then next your name. Below that your father's name, and below that your date of birth, and next trade. I'll just show you. First you can see your name, then below that father's name, then date of birth, then your trade. Next, on the right side you can see one barcode, then below that a registration number, and below that examination center. For example, you are attending at Madikeri ITI College, ITI Madikeri will be displayed here. Then below that examiner passcode will be there. Here you have to enter your passcode. The passcode will be provided by the examiners. Now I have entered the passcode. Then you have to check this box. You have to press here. Then start exam. So after clicking this, you can see here a page will be opened. In orange color, you will see the exam ID. In the blue color, you can see total questions. In the green color, you will see answered questions. And in the purple, time remaining. So total there will be 90 minutes for finishing the exam. Now I will show you how to enter the answers for the questions. Here also on the top your photo will be displayed. Near to that your name with the date of birth and also father's name. In the right side, date of the exam, your trade, then register number and examination center will be displayed. Now we can go for first question. In the first question, if you see, a copper rod of 40 mm diameter is subjected to tensile load of 4000 Newton. Calculate the stress in the material. Below that, there are three options given. You can just see there, A, B and C. And if you press the answer, if the answer is A, you can just press it on the A, option A. So you can see on the right side, you can see here on the right side, there your answer will be marked as A. If If you want to change, you can change also. Just you can give B. Then you can give C also. Whichever the right answer, you can just give and you can move on to the next question. The second question is example of linear motion is. And there are three options: A, grinding wheel, pulley, and C is flywheels. If you don't know this answer, or you need to attend this answer in the end of the examination, then what you have to do? You have to just press the flag question option. On the right side, you can just see here flag question option is there. No, you can just click over here. So you can just see here the answered question will be displayed in the green. Answered question will be displayed in the green color, and the flagged question will be displayed in the orange color. So we can go to next question. You don't want to attend this question, or you have to attend this in the end. So if you press, you will get the third question. So in the third question, if sine q is equal to 5 by 13, then find cos q. So three options are there. You can just give the answer and you can just press it next. You can see on the right side also. So you can see here the options which you have entered will be displayed here. For second questions, you have not attended, it will be in the blank. The box will be kept blank. And we will go to the next question, fourth question. So in right angle triangle, the adjacent side and opposite side are 3 cm and 4 cm. The third side is. So if the answer is B, you can just press it and you can move on to the next question. So here we have skipped this. If you have skipped any questions, you can just come back here. You can press it here and you can see rate of change of velocity is called. Just press the right answer and you can just move to the fifth question, then sixth. If you remember the second question's answer in between while writing, you can just press over here in this orange color and press it here and you can give the right answer. So after finishing the 5 questions, you can get here review and submit the test. The option will be here on the right side top. You just want to stop the exam, or you have to, if you want to quit the exam, you can just give here review and submit test, or else after attending all the 25 questions, you can review and submit the test. One thing keep remember that if you attend all 25 questions, then only you can just pass over this exam. Okay, and don't skip any answers. You can just think and take your time. There will be 90 minutes and you can just calculate and then attend the exam. So after finishing 25 questions, then only give this option review and submit test. So I think you understood about the flag question and how to attend the answers. The questions will be displayed here and answers you can just cross check over here whether your entered answer has taken, the system has taken or not. You can just cross check here, and then after finishing you have to give the review and submit option. So there will be a dialog box will be opened and it will ask you have attended 5 of 25. So you need to attend all the questions and then give the review and submit the test. Then after you will get a dialog box, you have attended all the questions 25 of 25, and then submit exam. It will ask with the question mark and then you have to press OK. So another page will be opened, exam submitted successfully. Your exam results will be released shortly.
This way the exam will be carried on. Thank you for watching this video. Then if you log out here, you will get another new page for logging now for other person to attend the exam. So thank you for watching. Share and subscribe this video.